Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of robotics and artificial intelligence at the 2024 Olympics. Approximately $4.6 billion have been invested into the Paris Olympics. This year's games are not just a showcase of human athleticism, but also a testament to how far technology has come. From enhancing athlete performance to providing unparalleled spectator experiences, robotics and AI are playing a pivotal role in transforming the Olympics. AI training systems. First up, let's explore how AI is boosting athlete performance. AI training systems have become integral in preparing athletes for the Olympics. These systems analyze an athlete's performance in real time, providing instant feedback and personalized training regimens. The Japanese Olympic team has partnered with NEC Corporation to develop a training system called NEC Sports AI. This system uses machine learning to analyze movements and suggest improvements. It can detect subtle inefficiencies in an athlete's form that a human coach might miss, allowing for precise adjustments. The USA Gymnastics team uses AI-driven motion capture technology from semi-reality motion systems to study athletes' movements, identifying stress points that could lead to injuries. Injury prevention and rehabilitation. Injuries are a significant concern for athletes, and AI is stepping in to reduce this risk. Advanced AI algorithms like those developed by IBM Watson Health analyze biomechanics to predict and prevent injuries. Additionally, robotic exoskeletons like ExoGT from Exobionics assist in rehabilitation, enabling faster recovery times. Smart stadiums. The spectator experience at the 2024 Olympics has been revolutionized by smart stadium technology. AI-powered cameras and sensors, such as those from the Hawk-Eye Innovations, provide real-time data and track every movement on the field, providing dynamic and personalized viewing angles for both in-stadium screens and remote broadcasts. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Virtual and augmented reality technologies are bringing fans closer to the action than ever before. VR allows viewers to experience events as if they were on the field, while AR apps enhance live viewing with real-time stats and information. The Olympic Broadcasting Service has launched a VR platform powered by Intel True VR that streams live events in 360 degrees, providing an immersive experience for fans worldwide. Additionally, AR-enabled glasses from Nreal are being used by spectators in the stadium to get real-time updates and player stats. Autonomous robots. Robotics are playing a crucial role in managing the Olympic events smoothly and efficiently. Autonomous robots are deployed for a variety of tasks, from security to maintenance and even assisting athletes. In the Olympic Village, autonomous delivery robots like the Relay by Savioc transport food and equipment, ensuring timely and efficient service. Security robots like the K5 by Knightscope patrol the venues, using AI to detect and respond to potential threats. AI-powered drones. AI-powered drones are being used for aerial surveillance, broadcasting, and logistical support. These drones provide unique aerial views of events and help in crowd management by monitoring large areas. Energy management. Sustainability is a significant focus for the 2024 Olympics, and AI is at the forefront of these efforts. AI-driven energy management systems, such as those from Siemens, optimize the use of renewable energy sources, reducing the carbon footprint of the games. Enedis is a French company that manages public electricity distribution, is responsible for connecting the local energy grid to that being used by the Olympic Games. The Olympic Village is powered by a smart grid developed by Siemens that uses AI to balance energy consumption and supply, maximizing the use of solar power and minimizing waste. Waste management. Efficient waste management is another area where robotics and AI are making a difference. Robots equipped with AI systems from Zen Robotics sort recyclables and manage waste more efficiently, ensuring a cleaner and greener environment. The Paris Olympic Committee has deployed robotic sorting stations from Zen Robotics throughout the venues. These robots use AI to distinguish between different types of waste, ensuring high recycling rates and minimal landfill use. The 2024 Olympics are a remarkable blend of human spirit and technological innovation. Robotics and AI are not just enhancing the performance of athletes, but also transforming how we experience and manage the games. As we look to the future, it's clear that these technologies will continue to play an integral role in the world of sports, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the high-tech wonders of the 2024 Olympics. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of technology and sports. See you next time.